In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop a Canva presentation. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your presentation, you want to click on Present up top right over here, and then you want to just basically select one of these, but of course, Present Full Screen is going to be the most common. So click on that and click on Present down at the bottom. Now, once you're in here to actually loop it, it's going to be very simple. You want to go ahead, open up this bottom bar by going down here with your mouse, click on those three dots to open up the More settings, and click on Start Autoplay. Now, once you do this, as you can see, it's going to start looping. So watch this. It's now on the first slide. It just jumped to the second one. And then in a few seconds, it's going to be on the third one. There we go. And then after the third one's done, it's simply going to jump back to the first one again. And it's just going to keep on looping and keep on looping until you actually pause this autoplay over here. So it's just going to stay on loop until you basically either exit the presentation or disable or pause autoplay over here with this button. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.